right, y'all. We are in Atlanta for the weekend at Parker's 8th birthday. We're gonna see the pandas. They're actually the last pandas in the United States of America. I believe China lets us have pandas, I think every 30 years. They have to go back. So we got to see the ones in Washington, D.C. Those were shipped back, I think, in November or December. And these are gonna be shipped back. The ones that the pandas in Atlanta Zoo are going to be shipped back, I think, December 2024. So we got the kiddos. There's Colin under here, Mia, Krista, and Parker up there. We're going to go to the Atlanta Zoo. I might have been here when I was a kid, but I don't remember. So we're going to have fun, maybe do some fishing today. All right, we'll see y'all soon. Parker, where are we going? Parker, what's our destination?
Where's the panda gift shop? The panda gift shop is
Parker.
the destination.
I said boo boo.
Where are we going?
I said boo boo.
What are we gonna see? You see bamboo?
Over there.
Over there?
We're gonna see pandas.
There it is. What is it? Mia, what do you see? You trying to see the rhino? Where is he? I don't see him. He hiding. Rhino, Rhino, where are you?
Where Huh?
Huh?
Which way you go?
I don't know. I think he's in that hole over there.
Yeah.
Say, Rhino, come out.
Come out.
Come out, come out, wherever you are.
Where is him?
He's over there. Mia, what do you see?
That's the elephant.
That's the elephant? That's pretty cool.
There's a hole in his ear.
A hole in his ear? Can you see him, Mia?
Yeah, they were high.
He's saying hi? He's eating.
Oh, right over there. You see him?
Oh my. Look at these giants.
He got it.
Giant lions.
Oh, look at that one. Look at that one. Which one?
Look at how big its paw is.
Which
The size of your head.
Hello.
What would you do if you were in there with lions?
That one looks like Lacar.
The who?
Lacar.
Who's Lacar?
From Lion King. Remember?
Scar.
Scar.
Scar. Lacar. Your binoculars? Can you see with your binoculars? You see it? That's a real snake. It's real.
Yeah, I can bite me.
He bite you?
Yeah. No.
Would he eat you?
No.
You bite him back?
I die. I need to move.
Oh, okay. Mia, look, a real snapping turtle. It's a real snapping turtle. It'll bite you.
I see fish.
Where's fish?
Wait, there.
I don't see no fish. Oh, you're right. That is a little fish. Good eye, Mia. Your daddy's blind as a bat.
I was looking to see if there's anything.
Parker, look. You ready, Parker?
Pandas.
Parker's really excited about these pandas. Here. See it? Look, in there. There he is. His head's hiding.
I see him.
You see him?
Cody's right over here.
Show Panda your pandas, Parker.
Randy. He's sleeping, isn't he?
He's like, it's cold out here. Why y'all got me out here?
Calling, I'll pick you up, honey.
There he is. He's just up above that little, and this is why we drove 5.5 hours. Parker to see the last pandas in the United States. Here it is.
Actually, it's China.
How many are there?
This is the. There's
Just one?
I thought it was supposed to be 4.
What is that one doing? Mia, look.
He's sleeping.
He's got his mouth open. Look at that.
Oh, look, there's one right over there. Look, this is how pandas eat.
That one's eating.
That's how pandas eat,
Look
Daddy.
at it.
That's how they eat.
That's how they eat?
Yeah.
Why do they like to eat? Like how?
They literally just put it in their mouth and spit out some and eat the
What about that one? Is he alive? Oh, he's breathing. He's breathing. Panda's moving. Panda's moving. What's he doing?
The panda's on the move.
He's on the move?
No, he's not. He's on the rest.
Got a big head. A big head like you.
Hey.
Oh, he's eating.
Their big hands is always like they need a lot of food.
What does Kung Fu Panda say?
He's looking like he's
Skadoosh.
Skadoosh. And the world blows up?
No. It sends people to the spirit realm.
Oh, wow.
And like he gets stuck in the spirit realm.
What do you think about that, Colin?
They battle.
In the panda shop. You in panda heaven, Parker?
Yes.
You in panda heaven? Everything panda. All things panda. What are you going to do? Let's follow him around. See where his panda adventures are. Push it, Colin. Oh my goodness. Look, Mia. Oh my gosh. Look. It's a goat.
I see baby goat.
You see a baby goat?
Yeah, I see.
Right there. Yeah, you guys are welcome to pet the animals. There are brushes in here so you can brush the animals.
She's nice.
Look, yeah.
I want to touch them.
Yeah, you can touch it. Look.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah. It's so nice. Look.
Buddy, hey, buddy.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Don't touch the horns.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Check out my horns.
That goat's avocado.
Avocado, Mia. What? What is that?
Go.
That's a sheep. A ram. What is it?
This is a sheep.
That's a sheep.
Hey, buddy.
You want to go pet the sheep?
Loves to be pet.
Oh, Colin, brush it. Brush it. Look, Colin's brushing it.
Come on. I want to brush it.
You want to brush it too? Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy, the tail.
That's his tail, yeah, that's right. There you go, buddy. Getting a harness on, buddy. You ready? Give me a thumbs up. That's it. That's tricky. That's tricky. You gotta do that without no hands. There you go. Okay, move it. There you go. Now you're getting the hang of it. You don't have to hang on to that. Yeah, just keep going. Mommy sees you. Wait for her to come around. She's coming. There they are. Hello, hello out there. Hey, Panda Man. All right, there you go, Colin. Got it? There you are. Which one you going to? That one? Pretty cool. Watch out for that gap. Mind the gap. Mind the gap. There you go, buddy. That way. There you go. That's it. Now you go faster if you feel more comfortable next time. That was cool. Let's see, go fast down here. Whoa. You want to get on that thing? That's a cassowary. Casa something. Cassowary. Where you want to get on? This one? This one? What? Huh? You want me to sit with you? How do I do that? Here we go. Whee! Whee! Up and down it goes. What do you think? y'all. We out here on the Chattahoochee. It's getting hotter than the hoochie coochie. Except it ain't hot, it's cold. We're gonna see if we can catch something. We're at the boat ramp here. Boat ramps that way. So we're gonna see if we can catch some trout. It's freezing cold. We're gonna see if we can catch anything. We'll see. Colin might have a fish, but we're not sure.
Oh my gosh!
Do you feel it?
So heavy.
Sure it's a fish?
Then I'm gonna jump in the water.
No.
Do you feel it fighting, Colin?
Yes. This is cold.
Back up, Colin. Don't go that way. Go back this way, son. Really? Does he have one?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Sure?
I seriously do.
It feels like you got a fish. Keep reeling, son. Keep reeling.
Dad, you reel.
No, I'm not reeling it. You reel.
But I can reel it.
Oh, he does have a fish.
Let me reel it.
Here, reel. Or is that something he's stuck on?
It's a fish.
Are you sure? I don't think it's a fish. Reel.
It's a fish.
Reel.
It is a fish.
Oh my gosh. Is it a trout?
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go! We got a trout! That is awesome!
Keeper.
Atlanta, we caught a trout. We caught a trout.
Can we keep
That
trout?
is, I don't know if we can or not.
Let's look it up.
Oh my
Then I
gosh.
can keep them in the net.
That is awesome.
Then I can go.
Colin, you caught one, buddy. We caught a fish in Atlanta. No way.
I put him in the net.
Parker, keep him in the net.
I know.
I'm gonna call that, well, we caught a trout. Get him, Colin, you did it, you did it, you did it.
Yeah, my foot out.
All right, y'all. We got the old Zebco Dock Demon. We are in Atlanta fishing the Chattahoochee.
Daddy?
And we're gonna try to get Colin a trout. He just caught a trout, a brown trout. And now we're gonna hook up this Zebco Dock Demon and see if we can get something. We'll see y'all when we get another trout. Oh, you do have a big fish. Oh my gosh. Parker, stay right here. You do have a nice one. Colin, get the net. Is it big? You feel like it's big? Oh, don't horse it too much, buddy. Easy, easy. Think it did?
No.
No, it's still swimming. It's swimming. It's a decent one. Whoa, good job. Rainbow!
Oh.
Rainbow!
We can keep it.
Yeah.
Cole, that's a nice one I got. Yeah.
Let's show it off.
The next time we need.
Oh, another piece of money. Oh, no, it's not money. Nice one, buddy.
Then I'll go get the net.
Second trout on the Chattahoochee. So, we bought all kinds of different bait. Oh, and we didn't know exactly where we landed on the delayed harvest section. So I brought worms, but I wasn't gonna fish until I figured it out. And I actually ended up calling the Georgia DNR. The lady, bless her heart, she was helping. She couldn't get clear answers. I thought I was past the delayed harvest zone to where I could use worms, because it's freezing cold out here. We're bank fishing. We want the boys to catch fish, so but there's a guy out here fly fishing. But anyways, we called the Chattahoochee National, whatchamacallit, and
Wildlife?
natural national, whatever you call them, can't speak. Anyways, the agent, and she clarified where we are. It's general waters. We can keep 8 trout and use any bait. So here's trout number 2. You want to get a picture with it, Parker?
No.
Sure.
I just want them going.
Is there a pool you can put them in?
Yeah.
All right, let's get that Dock Demon, trout number 2 down. All right, Colin, let it rip. Woohoo, Dock Demon. Dock Demon flying, baby.
Let me do what I did last time.
What did you do last time?
Yeah.
Did you cast it out there?
Yeah.
Sure?
And I'll let this thing spin.
Is it stuck?
No.
This one can't go very far. I need to put more line on it. Oh, that's a perfect cast. That's in a really good spot.
Enough line.
Is yours out there?
Yeah, it's way out there. Go.
Then you got one?
Just got me.
Show them the money. All right, y'all, we caught 2 trout on the Chattahoochee. Let's show them off. We caught a beautiful rainbow, and Colin caught a brown. We both caught trout. Daddy struck out. Come here, Parker, let's show them. Parker found these awesome coins.
I'm not showing.
Seriously, Parker. These awesome coins.
Don't show
He
them.
found
Don't
this
tell
quarter from 1944.
Don't show them.
And this one from 1897. I don't know if they're real or not, but they look like it.
Don't show them.
Why? And this, what do you call these? Is it the Indian nickel? That's awesome, Parker. Cool finds. We found them on the Chattahoochee. All right, we'll see you on the next adventure. All right, y'all, we are back in the hotel room. We've got our trout, and we are going to clean them and then put them in our little refrigerator. All right, Parker, hold up.
Daddy, come on.
Yes, we are cleaning them in the the sink here. Clean her out like that.
Can't really see it.
And that's it. That's all we have to do. And she's clean. Parker, give me that bag right there. Yes, that bag. We got a, look at me, Parker. We got a laundry bag there that we are gonna throw the trout in, like so. There she goes. We got the other one.
Can I ask him to do the other one?
There's the head. Oh, this one's got fish eggs.
Zach, can we keep the fish eggs?
We don't have anywhere to keep them.
Oh. That's a lot of fish eggs.
It is.
Too bad.
That's out.
Oh, too bad.
Fish eggs. Clean up the bloodline.
I wish we could get the eggs.
Dad, remember we had those fish eggs?
We gotta throw it away.
All right, that's it. That's how you clean trout in a hotel room. I don't know where we're gonna put the fish guts in the head. No, we ain't gonna keep it in the room.
Why?
Because it's gonna be stinky. All right, you can go ahead and turn it off, Parker. All right, y'all, today's adventure, we're going to the Georgia Aquarium. We're gonna check that out. I've never been here before, but apparently Parker. Have you been here before, Parker?
Yeah.
But you remember it? He doesn't remember it. Really sick. What do you think, Colin?
That is so cool.
Are your binoculars helping you? Whoa, they got scared.
Swimming with sharks. See shark?
Look at that. Look at that. Look. Yeah, see? Yeah, if I start swimming up and down, you want to see even more sharks? Even the whale sharks?
And last but
However, their vocalizations will sound a little bit different. Sea lions utilize more of a bark or roar, whereas seals will utilize more of a chuck or grunt. Now, each of these do sound a little bit different, and so do each of our animals individually. So, we're going to highlight each of their unique voices, and we're going to start right here with... Finian!
That was so loud.
Toby! And Scout. Let's give it up for all of our fans today.
Alright, now we're going to the Coca-Cola Museum, the World of Coca-Cola. So this is going to be exciting. Boys are going to be sugared up and on caffeine. What do you think, Colin? You going to float away with carbonation?
Today's the day of caffeine.
Oh my gosh. You going to, Colin, you going to...
I'm taking every Coca-Cola, even the Beverly.
There's a Beverly Coca-Cola?
It says it tastes like trash mixed with mouthwash.
You're kidding me. They have one like that?
They said people, that's the reviews for it.
Oh, wow. Check that out. To the...
Oh, and it's gonna be dun, 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 right here. This is our ceramic syrup dispenser. So if you guessed this, good job. You have a good eye, absolutely.
I was right.
It is 127 years old, just 10 years younger than Coca-Cola itself. Dispensers like these are just sitting at the soda fountain inside
That little
pharmacies,
ceramic thing down
where
there?
people used to go to get their soft drinks.
Did you push it? Gotta push a little bit harder. I want to try that Fanta Exotic. What do you think, Colin? Whoa. That was good. That was really good. Wow. Wow. Right? Cream soda? That's pretty good. That's pretty those frescas. Well, that was gonna be good, Colin. Try it. This is China. Ooh. Not good. What do you think, Colin? Is that good? Is that good? Oh, it tastes like barbecue sauce. It tastes like barbecue sauce. What was that? You want me to try the Beverly?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's disgusting. That is disgusting. Sprite lemonade.
Is it good?
I gotta get in here. I gotta get in here.
Pretty good.
I'm sorry. That was awful. It sits in the back. Sprite lemonade.
Not so good.
Not good.
Well, Sprite lemonade was fire. That's good. Let's try this Madagascar one, Colin.
Huh? Good?
That's kind of, yeah, try it. Try it. Huh? It's not bad. The Royal watermelon from the Philippines. Not bad. All right, let's go to another one. Last one. We'll do this India one. Thumbs up. It's like Coca-Cola, but not so sweet. That was interesting. Try this one. Pretty gross, right? Tastes like Sweet Baby Ray's. Me is trying strawberry Fanta.
Did I mix? I mixed.
Is that good?
Did I mix two?
Ew.
Did I mix?
Ew, let me try it. Ooh, it tastes like strawberry.
That I mixed some. That I made a good
Why are you saying ew?
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Melon. From Thailand. You again? Could Daddy try some? Mmm. Ooh, it's tasty. I like it. What do you think? Ew, that's disgusting. You want to try another one? Check out that up there. I never noticed that. Coca-Cola bars up there. All right, we're done taste testing.
I'm not.
What was your favorite one?
It's the Coca-Cola.
Cherry Coca-Cola. Mine was the Royal Fanta from Uganda. It's delicious. What was yours?
I think.
Okay, next stop. So when you see.
Ooh, Parker, look. Look at those.
Well, George.
You see it? Holy. That thing is massive. Look at that. Holy. The whale shark's going. The whale shark go across? This is absurd. Look at that whale shark. That is incredible. That fish looks like it's pregnant. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that whale shark. That is absurd. Whoa. Oh, you kidding me? That's real? Yeah, why is it so big? Why is it so big? Oh my gosh. Get your phone in.
That's how big it's supposed to be.
Whale shark is gigantic. And there's another one right up there. Look at that whale. That is just absurd. Look at the turtle. Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Tank is up on that left-hand top corner as well. These again are.
All right, y'all, today's adventure has us at Roswell Park. They got a mill here with a little bit of waterfall. They've also got a covered bridge down there. It's pretty cool. We're gonna show you guys. And per usual, we bought our fish and stuff. We don't know what we're gonna catch, but we're gonna try to fish and maybe catch something. You ready, Colin? Colin's got his little Zebco dock teaming. Maybe we're gonna catch something. But check out this little area. It's pretty sick. What? Alright, here's that covered bridge. It's pretty sweet. You got any trouts in these waters? Check that out. That is pretty slick. Well, we can always try.
That looks like a spot right there.
It's a deep pool. You never know what's in there. This looks like a big pool. I think maybe we can catch something in here. I don't know what we're gonna catch, but we can catch something for sure. Check that out. Yeah. It does look like a good spot. Might be something in there. Wow, check that out. Y'all think there's some fish in these here waters? Definitely there's fish. Trout? I have no idea. We've got some spinners we're gonna try. Mice tails. We're gonna throw what we know and see if we can catch something. What do you think, Parker?
Ice, baby!
You found some ice? Be careful, Parker. Watch out for that metal. You can stand on it?
Yeah!
That's pretty cool.
That's thick ice.
Is that thick ice?
Not thick at all.
So it's not thick? I wonder if there's any fish in here.
I can stand on here.
You can? There you go. Leave it. Just let him get it. Parker's trying to catch a crawfish. Oh, he's running away. Put it up in front of him, Parker. You're scaring him. Oh, he doesn't like it.
What?
Here.
Get my back. I can deal with it.
He doesn't like it.
I just turn off.
Oh, he went in the hole.
So turn
It's
off.
right there in the hole.
So turn off the.
On the rock.
Dad!
Put him on the rock.
He's hibernating.
Is he?
Yeah.
Empty him out.
Let go. Let go. Oh.
There he is. Oh, his tail's got him messed up. He's kind of sick.
Yeah. He's cool.
See if he'll claw you. Let me see him.
He only has one claw.
Yeah. Put him back in the water.
He's messed up.
Yeah. Actually, wait a second.
What?
Let's keep him for bait. Holy smokes, Park. What was I not thinking of that?
Dad, I don't want to use him.
You don't want to use him for bait? You gonna put him back in the water? Huh? Put him back in the water. That's pretty cool. Got the icicles forming over there. Really pretty area. There goes the covered bridge. And the mill up there. Be careful. What did you say you are?
The water will make.
Colin, do not, you can slip and fall into the water right there.
Oh, move out of the way.
What are you doing, Parker?
I'm actually not. Move out of the way.
Parker, be careful. You can slip and fall into that water right there. Pretty cool. Well, we didn't catch any fish, but the kids sure are having fun. What's up, man? That's pretty dope. That's remnants of the old mill right there. That's pretty cool. It's how the mill worked. See? See those big wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Let me come down and fish that big water. That is really cool. There's ice covering the snow there. Alright, y'all. We're going to be ending our trip to Georgia. Atlanta's treated us well. We've had a lot of adventures. Hope you enjoy watching this episode. When you watch it, please throw us a like, comment, share it. But please subscribe to help us support us so we can keep doing what we love and inspiring you guys to get outside. What you see behind me is the Roswell Mill waterfall. Pretty cool scenes here. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.